Why are recycling tips important for reducing waste? Have you ever wondered why recycling tips are so important for reducing waste? Let's break it down in a simple way. Recycling tips help us understand how to sort, reuse, and repurpose materials correctly. This knowledge prevents valuable resources from ending up in the trash. When we recycle properly, we can significantly lower the amount of waste sent to landfills and incinerators. This not only helps reduce pollution but also conserves our natural resources and saves energy. When materials like paper, glass, metal, and plastic are recycled correctly, they can be transformed into new products. This process reduces the need to extract and process raw materials, which can be harmful to the environment. For example, recycling 1 ton of paper can save about 17 trees and over 4,000 kilowatts of electricity. In the context of recycle crafts, recycling tips are particularly useful. They encourage us to get creative with items that might otherwise be discarded. Think about old jars, cardboard, or fabric scraps. Instead of throwing them away, we can turn them into fun and useful craft projects. This not only reduces waste but also extends the life of these materials, supporting the idea of reusing items. Recycling tips often include practical advice on how to clean and sort recyclables. Knowing which items are accepted in your local recycling program is key. For instance, some places accept glass and plastic containers, while others may not. Understanding these guidelines helps prevent contamination in recycling streams. When recyclables are contaminated, entire batches can end up in landfills instead of being recycled. Additionally, recycling tips can inspire us to think outside the box. They encourage us to see potential in what we might consider trash. For example, an old t-shirt can become a reusable shopping bag, or a tin can be transformed into a planter. This creative reuse reduces the demand for new materials, which is better for the environment. Another important aspect is composting. Recycling tips often highlight the benefits of composting organic waste like food scraps and yard waste. Composting can significantly reduce the amount of waste that goes to landfills. Plus, it produces nutrient-rich soil for gardening, which is a great way to recycle organic materials. In summary, recycling tips play a vital role in reducing waste. They provide practical steps that help us conserve resources, save energy, and inspire creative reuse through crafts. By following these tips, we can all contribute to a cleaner, healthier planet.